Welcome back to Old Coin Vault. Today we are diving into a fascinating and meaningful piece of currency from Southeast Asia, the Philippines' one Piso coin dated 1999. This coin is not just money, it is a symbol of national pride, history, and identity. Whether you are a collector, a history lover, or someone who enjoys rare coins, this piece has a story worth hearing. Let us begin with the front side of the coin, also known as the obverse. The obverse of the one Piso coin features one of the most respected figures in Philippine history, Jose Rizal. He was a nationalist writer, doctor, and polymath whose ideas inspired a movement toward independence. Rizal is known for his powerful writings that expose the injustices of colonial rule. His novels opened the eyes of many Filipinos and helped shape the nation's identity. Because of his influence, he is often called the national hero of the Philippines. On this 1999 coin, his portrait is displayed facing left in a simple yet dignified design. The engraving captures his calm expression and intellectual presence, which reflects his role as a thinker and reformer. Above and around the portrait, you will see the inscriptions that define the coin. The value 1 Piso is clearly written, showing its denomination. The name Jose Rizal appears as a tribute to the man himself. And Republica ng Pilipinas is inscribed, which translates to Republic of the Philippines. These elements together tell a story of national pride and respect for a hero who changed the course of history. Now, let us turn to the back side of the coin, also known as a reverse. The reverse side features the official seal of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, which is the central bank of the country. The design includes a shield with symbolic elements representing the nation. Surrounding it are stars and patterns that reflect stability, authority, and governance. You'll also notice the year 1993 on this side. This is not the mint year of the coin, but rather the year the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas was established. The inscription Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas appears clearly around the emblem, reinforcing the authority behind the currency. Even though the coin itself was issued in 1999, the reverse proudly carries the founding year of the central bank, which adds another layer of historical significance. Now let us talk about the material and physical features of this coin. The 1 Piso coin from this period is typically made from nickel-plated steel or a similar alloy depending on the series. It has a smooth edge and a clean metallic finish. Its size and weight make it practical for circulation, yet durable enough to survive years of use. Many of these coins have passed through countless hands, each carrying its own small story. For collectors, the condition of the coin plays a major role in its value. A coin in circulated condition may be common and affordable, but a well-preserved coin with minimal, where sharp details and original shine can be more desirable. Uncirculated examples or coins graded at higher standards can attract serious collectors, especially those focusing on Philippine currency. Now, let us address the value. There are claims online suggesting extremely high figures for certain coins, including numbers that reach into the millions or even billions of dollars. It is important to approach such claims with caution. The 1999 1 Piso coin is not considered extremely rare in the global coin market. Its value is generally modest unless it has unique features, such as mint errors, unusual variations, or exceptional condition. Realistic values typically range from a small premium over face value up to a few dollars, depending on condition and demand. However, the true value of this coin goes beyond money. It represents history, culture, and identity. It reminds us of Jose Rizal and his contribution to freedom and reform. It reflects the development of the Philippine financial system through the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, and it serves as a tangible link between the past and present. For collectors, this coin can be a meaningful addition, especially as part of a complete Philippine coin set. For beginners, it is an accessible entry point into the world of coin collecting. If you happen to own this coin, take a closer look. Examine the details of Rizal's portrait. Check the clarity of the inscriptions. Observe the condition of the surface. Every small detail can tell you more about its journey. Before we conclude, here are a few tips for preserving your coins. Always handle coins by the edges to avoid fingerprints. Store them in a dry and safe environment. Use proper holders or albums to prevent scratches and damage. Taking care of your coins ensures that their beauty and history remain intact for years to come. Thank you for joining me today on Old Coin Vault. If you enjoyed learning about the 1999 Philippines 1 Piso coin, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into rare and historical coins from around the world. Until next time, keep collecting, keep exploring, and keep discovering the stories behind every coin.